Good day, class. What we'll be looking at today is how to check for the correctness of each solution. So the purpose of this video is for you to know how to check if the solutions are correct. All right? And this will be a good foundation for the next topic that I will cover in the next video, where we will be looking for a false solution or an extraneous solution. All right? So extraneous is just a fancy term for false. All right? So we will talk about that in the next presentation. Okay? All right, let's begin. We have this equation to solve, and it's going to lead us to two separate equations where one expression is equal to a positive number, the other expression is equal to a negative number. The next step is we are going to subtract 8 from both sides. All right? So we're going to have our two solutions. X is equal to negative 5 and X is equal to negative 11. All right? Now, if we want to know if these two solutions are correct, we can check by using substitution. All right? So let's take a closer look. Let me use blue. All right. Now, we are going to see if this solution is correct and if this solution is correct. All right. Now, to do so, you will have to substitute the solution that we got in the original equation. All right. This is the original equation. All right. Now, let's check if this solution is correct. All right. So where I have x in my original equation, I am going to have negative 5 instead. So I am using substitution. Okay. In our next step, we have, let me show you what I'm talking about here. So negative 5 plus 8 is 3. All right, 3. Okay, let's continue. All right, so 3 is equal to 3. All right, pay close attention to what I am going to say now. All right, now we know where this 3 is coming from. This 3 right here. All right, it is coming from negative 5 plus 8. Yes. Now, when you get to this stage here, where you have the absolute value of 3, there is a crucial question that you need to ask yourself so you can know what number would go here. All right. Here is the question that you would ask yourself at this stage. The question is, how far is 3 from 0 on the number line? How far is 3 from 0 on the number line, and that is 3, and that's why we have 3 right here. All right. Now the 3 that is on this side, we know where it is coming from. It is coming from right here. All right. So that's the reason we have 3's on this side of the equation. All right. Now, because the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, this solution is true. It's a true solution. All right. Let's go on this side. Let us see if this solution is a true solution. All right. So as before, we replace x with negative 11. All right. Now we know that negative 11 plus 8 is negative 3. That's how we got negative 3 here. All right. Good. Now when we get to the absolute value of negative 3, this is the question you need to ask yourself. The question is, how far is negative 3 from 0 on the number line? That's the question. How far is negative 3 from 0 on the number line? And that is obviously 3. All right. That's how we got this 3 right here. All right. Now, this 3 on this side, it is coming from this 3. All right. So all these 3's on this side of your equation are coming from this 3. Okay. Now, because the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, so because the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, this solution is also a true solution. Yes. So this is a simple example of how you would check the correctness of your solutions. All right. And this presentation is a foundation for my next video, where we will talk about extraneous solutions, or solutions that are false. All right. Now, if you don't understand this presentation, I would advise you to rewatch this video. All right. Rewatch this video until you understand what it is saying. All right. So please don't treat it like a story. You read a paragraph and you continue reading even though you don't understand what you are reading. All right. That's not how it should be. Always ensure that you understand what you are looking at. So please, if you have to rewatch this video to get a full understanding of this process, please do so. Okay. Have a good day, class.